there? Oh, it's working this time. Oh, look. Your candles are burned. Wow, they were really tall. Yeah. Well, Lazar, you know, life is like a candle. We burn every single day till our lives ends, just like the candle, yeah. Ah, that is so true and sad at the same time. It's so true. It burned. It was an interesting candle. The spirit. It was going crazy, but seems like it has settled down, doesn't it? Oh, you're really enjoying your cigar today. You're taking so much pleasure into it. Never seen you like this. It's been a while since I smoked a cigar. I couldn't afford it. But everything's going on. How sad. I received an email. You received an email? You actually have an email address? Yes, Azar, I have an email now. The thing is, I have over 20,000 unread messages. Surprise, surprise. Okay, you actually used a computer. I received an email from... Who is it from? Your secret admirer? What's his name? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you want to know his name? Oh, I'll tell you his name. Oh, I have a phone call, and Azar, I know exactly who it is. Even without a caller ID, you know who it is. I do not need a caller ID. I know who it is. I know you do. You know everything. I know you do. Azar, I know exactly who it is. You know why? Because I use my intuition. I don't need See? Please answer the phone, for God's sake. Answer the phone. We have lots of time to talk. I know how much you love to speak. Answer the phone. Okay, let me. You're right. I should answer the phone. Allora. Hello? I knew it was you. I was just telling you. Hello. I knew it was you. I was just telling everybody that how, you know, you and I or our friends, we use, well, I guess you guys don't, but we use our intuition to know who it's calling. And, one second, let me just, and we don't need caller ID. Anyways, thank you for calling, because great minds think alike, don't they? I wanted to ask you a question, and I need you to be honest with me. Can you do me a favor? I'll myself. The handle is a bit heavy. I had a very rough week, so if you don't mind, yeah, just call my cell. Let me get my cell. I need to turn it on. One sec. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'll tell you about the intuition. Let me get my cell phone. Hold on. Let me get my cell phone. It's a little bit heavy, yeah. But I love it. One sec. 1 second. cigars.